Hello everyone, so today we are going to Tuscany. Let's try again. Hello everyone, so today we're going to Tuscany and we are making a recipe called Hello everyone, today we are going to Tuscany and we're making a recipe called Pollo Alla Cacciatora, which is hunter's chicken. And it's the whole chicken with celery, onions and carrots and a light tomato sauce with some red wine, and it's just braising for 40 minutes and it's very easy, very tasty. Let's see how it's made. These are oh, I forgot the olives. Oopsie. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and like always, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and until next time, take care.